Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely insane trade on HFI. We previously called for a reversal at the top, and yesterday it happened. A sudden, massive downfall. Take a look at the before versus after picture on the charts. We were watching a key resistance, and then boom! We saw an instant TP4 hit with a minus 15% candle that was so powerful it triggered massive liquidations. The price dumped 30% in just 3 minutes. This is why you cannot laugh at my charts. We called the reversal and the market delivered. My followers are now in insane profits from this short. This shows the power of being in our private group where we call these tops and bottoms before they happen. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. To join our groups, just click the link in the description. Peace out.